Alright guys, real quick video on how to remove the tail light on the VB chassis of WRX. For this, we need a ratchet along with a 10mm socket and a Phillips screwdriver. First, we need to unscrew the center part of this plastic clip with a Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes the outer parts rotates with it, so you need to hold the outer part still if that happens. And we'll pull it out. Next, we'll pull the left edge of this plastic trim cover in order to remove it. Next, we'll remove the two 10mm bolts. Now we can just pull the tail light straight backward to unclip it. Obviously be careful to not damage the paint. Next, we'll push the tab on the connector and pull it out. Obviously you want to pull the connector and not the wires. Sometimes the plastic clips will come out with the tail light, so we'll just remove it real quick with a flathead screwdriver. It's very important that you install this clip correctly, or you'll be very frustrated about your tail light not seating correctly. As you can see, there's a thin and thick side to this clip. The thick side has an arrow, so that arrow needs to be pointed away from the center of the car. So in this case, for the right side, it needs to be pointed towards the right side of the car. And of course, for the left tail light, it's going to need to be pointed towards the left side of the car, so away from the center of the car. Just reverse the process to reinstall it. Hit the like and subscribe button. Take care.